gonna start off throwing a just a sinker, let drop to the bottom, and basically just go. It's pretty it's pretty choppy today. It's very choppy and very wavy. Never been on the water like this before, so it's kind of like you can't sit still. You're rocking the whole time. It's probably because there's like 15-mile-an-hour winds and stuff like that, and there's a billion bids coming out. So.
Have you ever caught the saw guy out here?
Not yet. No.
Last week I caught an 18-incher.
What?
They start stocking in about almost 2 years now, a year and a half.
They bite here?
You know what? They like cover.
Cover?
So that big tree log outside, just go over it.
Okay.
And I used the 17 versus a 4-line test.
Okay.
And I nailed it.
Okay.
A nice one, 18-incher. They got some sharp teeth though.
Yeah, they do. I seen them before, but I haven't caught one yet. I want to catch one.
They are good fighting.
Okay. You catch a lot. You catch a lot of largemouth bass, or just mainly crappie?
All of them. All of them.
Everyone.
Catfish, crappie.
White bass, the striper.
And also the hybrid bass. Just by trolling.
Okay.
I noticed the faster I go, I usually catch the hybrids and the bass.
Okay.
So when I just go drift like this, I catch crappie, a lot of crappie.
Okay.
And some catfish.
Okay, cool. All right. Thank you.
Take care.
You too. Maybe these fish are deeper today because, to be honest, I haven't got anything yet. Pretty soon, if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna start throwing that deep diving crankbait too. I mean, there are other fish in here besides largemouth bass that are really good to catch, like the striped bass hybrids. Those are really good, and they got really good sauger in here too. So I'm pretty sure if I rip that line out wherever, I'm gonna actually do that right now. See what I can get. Okay. Should I put this right here? I'm gonna use this. Makes noise in the water and it deep dives. Have not really caught anything off this. I remember my mom got me this for Christmas, so I'm gonna put it to use. See what we can get. Just gonna reel in very slow. I didn't want to bore you guys out too much because, to be honest, guys, I've caught 3 bass, literally 3 bass in that lake, and I've been there 7 times. And the reason is because that lake's not good for bass. And as you guys could see, the guy I met up there, I actually didn't really meet him up there. I just saw him randomly, and he was saying bass basically not that good. Crappie, sauger, and white bass are really good. So if I get to that lake again, I probably will be fishing for all of the white bass, striped bass, sauger, whatever, all that good stuff, because the largemouth bass are not good, and I don't want to bore you guys out too much. So I cut the video short. As you can see, the kayak's doing good. Again, well worth the money. I will be going on vacation, so I will be doing, I'm not bringing the kayak, I will just be doing some saltwater videos too within the next week. So yeah, I mean, that's about it. Again, I do apologize for not catching anything, but I decided to make this episode to bring you guys along just to show you guys that everything's working out, even in wavy and windy conditions. The kayak still is a really, really nice kayak. So that is about it for today's exciting episode of Hookin' Bass 92. If you guys can do me a big favor, hit that like button, and also to hit that subscribe button and comment below and let me know if you like the new kayak or not. And as always, catch big fish. Have a great day.